Well, here's a tale of woe from the underside of a Collins 32S-1 1962 circa transceiver. I found that this potentiometer didn't have 500 ohms across, so it should have 500 ohms from here to here, and it had about 1.2 k ohms between here and here and here, or here and here, and that was unacceptable. This radio doesn't have any output really on 20 meters, 15 or 10, and I think that's from low output of the first mixer. Anyway, you do not want to put Detoxit onto this thing. It will ruin it. Detoxit, I guess, is evil in some ways, but it definitely ruined the potentiometer. I took it apart. I took this out of the radio and tried to fix it, and I can't fix it, so it's forever ruined. Pull the bottom off and started trying to work on it. I tried to solder it. I tried to heat it with hot air from the stove in the kitchen to try and get the detox out of it. Nothing would work. I do not get 500 ohms between these 2 points. It's infinity pretty much. So that's shot. I need to find another 500 ohm potentiometer. But anyway, for grins and giggles, I tied all the wires together where the potentiometer was. There are two, I think 560 ohm resistors. Let's take a look at the schematic here. Yeah, so potentiometer's here. There's a 560 here, a 560 here, and that goes around. I just basically took the ends of these and grounded them to see what would happen with this thing, to see if it'll bring it back to life as far as the higher bands. So I'm going to try that now and see if it'll go. You can see that, yeah, there's the ground wire. I just shut it in a ground wire and hacked it in. This thing was also grounded to the wiper. We just grounded the variable capacitor here, and there's the 560 there from one end of the 12AT7. There's the 560 from the other end. They're both tied together and they both go to ground, and this is ground. So all that's tied together now. So now I'm wondering if the thing will at least transmit on the higher bands, as it should get more signal, I would think. Let's see what happens. What else is going on? Yeah, I didn't replace the 100 ohm cathode resistor on the 6AH6 yet. I'm just going to take a stab at this and see if it helps it or not with what I did. Of course, I would need to put a 500 ohm potentiometer back in there, but just to test if this thing works at all on the higher frequencies, which is really what I want to do here, is understand why it doesn't work. All right, so with that, I'll move it around. Let's see what this thing will or won't do. Power up, and I'm on 20 meters. I guess as a sanity check, I go back to 40 meters. There's 40. And let's see if it does anything. Still, since I've been hacking all through it. Okay, so I should get some plate current here if it peaks. Yeah, that looks about right. I'm getting some plate current there in 40, so that's positive news. I have no antenna on it. Do I get any grid? Oh yeah, look at the grid. So I can pound the grid. So now 20's been the big problem. Let's go here to 20. That didn't work at all, hardly. And plate on 20. Let's see if this will work at all. Or am I chasing around with that potentiometer was a waste of time? Let's see what happens here. Nope, no grid, no plate, no nothing. So that didn't help whatsoever. I guess that was a non-problem. Here we go again. There's some plate. Yeah, so I didn't find anything noteworthy, did I? So I still got problems in this thing. 14, a little bit of peak, but nothing. So I guess my excursion into that potentiometer was a waste of time, and I caused more damage than I fixed. That thing wasn't working right, but now I gotta fix it. And I still don't have 20 meters. Live and learn. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.